Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am making a boy and a girl in a simple way. Let's start. Firstly, make a U shape for their faces. One for a boy and another for a girl. Now I am making a hairs. Side part for the boy, center part for the girl, whatever you want. Then for the head, I am making a semicircle shape, the half circle. Ears is easy to make. And now about the head. I am making half circle, semicircle. I am making both at once. This will let us know its difference. Now about the eyes, nose is very simple. Nose like L shape, mouth for semicircle. Now about the neck, I make a column represents a neck. For the shoulder, I am making a line equally from both sides. Then give a curve shape similar to in girl. For a girl, I am making a V shape. Then the body of the boy, which is of a rectangular shape. I am giving the gap between the neck and the body. For the pants, it's very straight line, vertical lines, V shape. Now meet it. Our pants is done. In hands is also a V shape. I'm doing a very simple V, so I'm not giving a detailing in the hands. For the girl, I'm making a frock. For her fluffiness, I'm making a this way, and 3 lines represents a frock. One leg I'm making in front view. Hands is easy to make. Similar like a boy. For a girl, I'm making a ponytail, like a snake. La la la. Then I'm doing shading with my sketch pen. Now about the neck. Some detailing. Now about the colors, I am using a oil pastel of Camel brand. I'm using a skin color named as Flash Tint. You also smudge with your fingers. don't forget ears. I'm using orange color for the shading. It looks great. Now for the boy, I'm taking a cerulean blue. After this, I'm doing a shading. So I'm taking a dark blue, name as a Persian blue, and I will do a shading. Then for his pants, I'm using a gray, dark gray, light gray. I'm using dark gray in outline. By this technique, we will do shading very clearly. And now I'm using a light gray and fill it in the white spaces. Then after this, I'm using a dark green for girl shirt. I'm outlining this pattern. Looks great in the oil pastels for the kids. This is light one. Now I'm using very light green, name as yellow green. After this, I'm using another dark color, Persian blue. Then after this, I'm use a pillow for making a design in her frock. You use any tool, pen, the back side of pen, pillow tool, anything. And yellow color for her shoe. Now I'm using a pen, some curve shape. It looks good. Some other creations. I'm making a more. There's no difference of the boy and the girl and the mom and dad. Just we need a salwar suit here to represent a baby or a mom. Done. Now I'm making a boy, a young boy, or a dad. the difference. Now about the grandfather. Make a U shape, eyes, specs, and I'm making a bald person. Kurta, dhoti, Jyoti,